Are you looking to transform your home while also making a positive impact on the environment? Sustainable remodeling practices are not just a trend. They're a powerful way to enhance your living space, save on energy costs, and reduce your carbon footprint. In this video, we'll dive into the world of sustainable remodeling, uncovering how you can create a beautiful, eco-friendly home that aligns with your values. Sustainable remodeling is all about making smarter choices for your home that benefit both you and the planet. From energy-efficient upgrades like LED lighting and improved insulation, to using reclaimed materials and water-saving fixtures, there are countless ways to make your home more sustainable. These practices not only improve your home's efficiency and comfort, but also contribute to a healthier environment. One of the most impactful areas to focus on is energy efficiency. By upgrading your insulation, installing high-performance windows, and incorporating smart thermostats, you can significantly reduce your home's energy consumption. Not only does this lower your utility bills, but it also makes your home more comfortable year-round. Water conservation is another critical aspect of sustainable remodeling. Simple changes like installing low-flow fixtures and incorporating rainwater harvesting systems can greatly reduce your water usage, helping to preserve this precious resource. But it doesn't stop there. Sustainable remodeling extends to the materials you choose. Reclaimed wood, recycled glass countertops, and low VOC paints are just a few options that add beauty to your home while minimizing environmental impact. And let's not forget about indoor air quality. By using natural, non-toxic materials and improving ventilation, you can create a healthier living environment for your family. Lastly, sustainable landscaping practices like drought-resistant plants and permeable paving can enhance your outdoor spaces, making them not only beautiful, but also environmentally friendly. By embracing sustainable remodeling practices, you're not just creating a better home for yourself, you're also contributing to a better world. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more videos soon to help you on your journey to a sustainable lifestyle.